In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of image in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're inside the design or file where the image is already placed, so you can edit it directly without interrupting your workflow. If you're working on a larger project with multiple elements on the page, it helps to take a quick second to identify the exact image you want to update before making any changes. Once your project is open, select the image you want to edit. This is an important step because Adobe Express needs to know which specific element you want to adjust. When the image is selected, the editing options related to that image will become available, allowing you to fine-tune its appearance. Next, look over to the left panel and find the Adjust option. Go ahead and select it. Inside the Adjustments panel, locate the Color section. This is where you'll find the controls used to change how the colors in your image look. In particular, you'll see sliders for saturation and warmth. These two settings are the key tools for changing the overall color feel of your image. If you increase saturation, the colors in the image will become more vivid, rich, and intense. Reds, blues, greens, and other tones will appear brighter and more eye-catching. This can be useful if your image looks a little flat and you want it to feel more vibrant. If you decrease saturation, the colors will become softer, more muted, and less intense. And if you bring saturation all the way down, the image will lose all color completely, giving you a black and white or grayscale result. This can be helpful if you want a more subtle or dramatic look. Now let's look at warmth. If you increase warmth, Adobe Express adds more yellow, orange, and red tones to the image. This creates a warmer feel, similar to sunset lighting or warm indoor light. It can make a photo feel more inviting and natural, depending on the style you want. If you decrease warmth, the image shifts toward cooler blue tones. This can create a crisp, cool atmosphere, similar to an overcast day or fluorescent lighting. It's a simple way to completely change the mood of the image with just one slider. Take your time, moving both sliders gradually until the image looks the way you want. Small adjustments often make the biggest difference, especially if you're aiming for a polished, natural result. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of an image in Adobe Express.